I'd like to welcome you to our Hawaiian Airlines Pau Hana Fridays. Our Hawaiian Airlines Pau Hana Fridays occur every first Friday of the month, so we encourage everyone to please come on down and enjoy yourselves. This is in appreciation of you folks, our Premier Club members, as well as our Pualani Elite members. Today we have a bunch of different treats in store for you. First off, we'd like to welcome HAPA, who will be playing some music for you folks in just a little bit. The food is provided by our partner, Coconut Waikiki Hotel, as well as the Shoreline Hotel Waikiki. So please give them a round of applause as well. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the music of HAPA.
This is Gabby Pahinui's theme song. Brother Ron's going to sing it called Hi'ilave, kind of a Romeo and Juliet Hawaiian song. 2, 3.
Kaigana hilave twabalo mai maukele iha I say Maka kaigana o hilave twabalo mai maukele Pagkala mayaw, tanui mandu, abalambe, univaitiyo. I say, all the coolies in the house. Pagkala mayaw, itanui mandu, abalambe, univaitiyo. Aulenovo, eloamahi, ayuhivaya, tetuahivi. Aulenovo, eloamahi, ayuhivaya, tetuahivi. Hiva nathamatua aile nakikupuna Hiva nathamatua aile nakikupuna No punate la ia mai no ita vai le ni love No punate la ia mai no ita vai le o ni love Haina ia mai natabuana kumaga kaigana Hi'ilave Big Island style Haina ia mai natabuana kumaga Makakai kena o hilave, o hilave, o hilave.
That's Brother Ron Qualau.